अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक्स इन एजुकेशन। आज मैं अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ बीजी 5th सेमेस्टर जेनरिक इलेक्टिव कोर्स थीम्स इन हिस्ट्री का सिलेबस और गेस्ट पेपर। इससे पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना। तो शुरू करते हैं। बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स 5th सेमेस्टर जेनरिक इलेक्टिव कोर्स हिस्ट्री थीम्स इन हिस्ट्री पार्ट फर्स्ट HS520G. So you have 6 credits, 4 theory, 2 tutorial. 60 marks plus 30 marks is equal to 90 marks. So theory 4 credits, maximum marks 60, minimum marks 24. Objectives or expected learning outcomes. This course aims at making the students understand the evolution of Indian political, social, and economic structures from ancient to medieval times. The course intends to provide a holistic understanding of various dimensions of India's ancient and medieval past. After the completion of course, the students are expected to critically engage with issues like caste and communal disharmony. So unit first is in unit first, you have number first, prehistory and introduction. Number second is Indus Valley civilization, main features of Indus Valley civilization. Number third is an introduction of Vedic Age. Unit second is polity of Mauryan Empire. Number second is an overview of post-Mauryan polities. Number third is Gupta Empire polity. Number four is Buddhism under Harshvardhana. In unit third of your syllabus, number first is foundation of Delhi Sultanate. Number second, central and provincial administration of this Delhi Sultanate. Number third is economic reforms under Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Taghalluq. In unit 4 you have number first is foundation of Mughal Empire, Babur. Number second is consolidation under Akbar with special reference to Rajput and religious policies. Number third is decline of Mughal Empire. Now tutorials, 2 credits, 30 marks. Tutorial 1, report on any ancient or medieval monument of Kashmir. Tutorial 2nd, review of any prominent work on ancient or medieval history of India or Kashmir. Suggested readings or recommended texts, recommended books, supplementary reading. So this was all regarding syllabus. Now let us discuss the guest paper. Now let us discuss the guest paper, or we can say most important questions regarding BG 5th semester generic elective course themes in history part first. Question number 1 is elaborate the 4 ages in prehistory, that is Paleolithic age, Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, Neolithic period, and Chalcolithic period. Question number 2 is discuss the main features of the town planning of Indus Valley civilization. Question number 3 is discuss the economy and polity of the Rig Vedic period and analyze the changes in the later Vedic period. Or the question will be asked like this: give a brief comparison of early and later Vedic period. Question number 4 is Ashoka's Dhamma was a response to the prevalent socio-economic and political conditions. Comment. Question number 5, critically analyze the main features of the Gupta Empire polity. Or the question will be asked like this: give a brief description of Gupta administration. Now question number 6, what are the main administrative reforms introduced by Muhammad Taghalluq? Or the question will be, what are the main administrative reforms introduced by Alauddin Khilji? Question number 7 is make an assessment of the religious policy of Akbar. Question number 8. Describe the role of Babur in laying the foundation of Mughal Empire and give an account of the causes responsible for the decline of Mughal Empire. So this was all regarding the syllabus and the guest paper for BG 5th semester generic elective course themes in history part 1st. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe.